In the previous class, you have already learnt about concept of fraction, half, quarter, 3/4. Observe the picture, children. Here divide the picture into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So this is represented as 1 quarter, and in fraction form we write as 1/4. Now observe the next picture, children. Here the picture is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So this is represented as 2 quarter or 1/2, and it is written as 1/2. Observe the third picture, children. In the third picture, divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. So this is represented as 3 quarter or 3/4, and it is written as in number form 3/4. And observe the fourth picture. In this picture, divided into 4 equal parts and 4 parts are shaded. So this is represented as 4 quarter or 1 whole, and write in numerical form as 1/1. Now we are going to solve the exercise 8.1. First main, write the indicated parts as shown in the example. Observe the model, children. Shaded part is half and unshaded part is half. So write half part. Observe the next question. In the above picture, divided into 2 equal parts and one part is shaded and one part is unshaded. So write unshaded part half and shaded part is half. In third question, picture, observe, is divided into 4 equal parts and green colored part is 1 and red colored part is 3 is there. So write green colored part is 1 and red colored part is 3. Now fourth question. Observe the picture, children. Here also 4 equal parts are there and one part is shaded. So shaded part is 1 and unshaded part is 3. Now we are going to second main. Match the shaded part in the picture with suitable fractions. Here the first picture divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So the fraction form quarter. So match it quarter. And the second picture is divided into 2 equal parts and shaded one part. So the fraction form is half. So match it half. Now third picture. Observe the here also divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction form is 3/4. So match it 3/4. Now we are going to third main. Write as shown in the example. Observe the model, children. Here given some weight stones 250 grams. So this is quarter kg. Now second one weight stone has 500 gram is there. So this is half kg, right? Half kg. Now third stone on written as 1 kg. So this is whole or 1 kg. Now we are going to fourth main. Write as shown in the example. Observe the model children. Here given one coin of 25 paise. So 1 rupee has 100 paise. If we divide the 1 rupee 4 equal parts, 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. So 125 paise means quarter rupee. So write quarter rupee. Now next question, observe 50 paise. In the 50 paise is there. So 1 rupee has 250 paise. 50 plus 50 is 100. So 150 paise means half. So write half rupee. Next question, observe it children. Here 3 25 paise coins are there. So here we write 3 quarter rupee. And next question also write 3 quarter rupee. Now we are going to fifth question. Shade the picture as directed. First question, shade half of the picture. Here the picture divided to equal parts. So we shade the half part. Now second question, fill 3/4 of the beaker with color. So we here fill the color of 3/4. Now third question, color quarter of the picture. In the picture divided into 4 equal parts. So we colored one part. So 1/4. Children, 6th main, 7th main, 8th main, do it yourself. Now we are going to exercise 8.2. First main, observe the figure and fill in the blanks. Observe the picture children. First one, in the figure here divided into 2 equal parts. So one part is shaded. The fractional form of the shaded portion is 1. So fraction form 1/2 or half. Next question, observe the figure children. Here also divided into 2 equal parts and one part is shaded. So fractional form of the shaded portion is 1/2. Now third question, observe the figure children. Here 4 equal parts is there and one part is shaded. So fractional form of the shaded portion is 1/4 or quarter. Now fourth question, observe the figure children. Here 4 equal parts is there and 3 parts are shaded. So fractional form of the shaded portion is 3. Fractional form of the unshaded portion is 1. Fifth question, observe the figure children. Here circle is there and divided into 2 equal parts and one part is shaded. Fractional form of the shaded portion is 1. So 1/2. Second main, match the following by drawing line. A part given word form and B part given numerical form. So we match it word form to numerical form. Half part. Half part means 1/2. Match it 1/2. And second one, quarter part. Quarter part means 1/4. So match it 1/4. And third one, 3/4 part. 3/4 means 3/4. So match it 3/4. Now, third main. Shade the given picture as directed. 1 by 2. Here given some figures and divided into two equal parts. So, we shade the part 1/2. So, one part are shaded. Now next, 1 by 4. Shade the picture 1 by 4 means one part we are shade it here. Now 3 by 4. Here given some figures and divide into 4 equal parts and shade it 3 parts. Now we are going to fourth main. Write the numerical form of the following. First one, half part. Half part means 1 by 2. So write 1 by 2. Now second one, quarter part. Quarter part means 1 by 4. Write numerical form 1 by 4. Now third one, 3/4 part means here we write 3 by 4. Now we are going to fifth main. State the meaning of the given fractions as shown below. First one, half. Observe here. Here's dividing an object into two equal parts and taking one part. 1 by 2. Now, second one, quarter. So we write dividing an object into 4 equal parts and taking one part, 1 by 4. Now, third one, 3/4. Here, dividing an object into 4 equal parts and taking 3 parts. So, 3 by 4. Thank you, children.